We're barbers, and we got started because we wanted to make a really good product for our clients. And getting into it, we really wanted it to be Hartford-based.
So we wanted something that had a little bit more of a clean label, something that would be accessible for everybody, not just a certain demographic of people, but for everybody.
Obviously, we researched other brands and other ingredients and so on. And we realized that we really wanted to make a pomade that was refined.
As of right now, we are in 9 countries and 41 states. And one of the ways that we did that was actually through social media. And Instagram has actually been our largest tool that we have used to get our message all over the world. Most of the people that are using our product in other countries have actually found us because of the hashtag pomade. And then beyond that, because we're really trying to put Hartford and Connecticut on the map, we've used the hashtag Hartford Handsome. And now there are people in Malaysia who are hashtagging selfies of themselves with our product, and they're hashtagging it Hartford Handsome. And also because of the fact that we donate 50 cents of every bottle to charity, that's given us a lot of exposure that other people have kind of looked and said, wow, this is a nice cause, maybe this is something that we would want to be involved with.
So far we've worked with Camp Current, and now we're working with the CT Youth Excellence Project. So, and they're great charitable organizations, and their dollar really goes really far.
There's large organizations that we could send a check to and they wouldn't even see it, but with a smaller, locally based charity, we know that, you know what, if we only have a few $100 extra that we're able to donate, then it's going to make a difference. Or if it's as much as 1,000, it really is a significant impact on that charity. So that's why we're so focused on working with these like smaller local charities, to his point. The best advice I've ever gotten in life in general is just to be kind to every person you meet. And as we have dealt with people, and we deal with it daily in the barbershop, but even in dealing with individuals with our pomade, we just try to think about how can we be kind to them.
I think I've learned a lot from my father. Where we came from Italy in 1996, and we've worked really hard, and he's showed me a lot in work ethic. So I think just do the work, and then you'll get there eventually.